poppin' Diva gang? How are y'all today? These are the nails we're going to be making today. Some real cute junk nails. I think these are super cute. Let me know what you think. And I'm just going to be showing you how I created them. That was my little outline, my little plan or whatever. And I'm going to be using these really long display tips. You can see how long they are. I even took out my nail file to show you. It's literally like half the length of my nail file. So these are super duper long. And I cut them down because I've been seeing a lot of nail techs or press-on nail artists cut them down in order to make like taper square nails. So that's just what I did right there. And I've done another video showing you all how I cut these down and how I filed the cuticle part so that it can be flush with my own natural cuticle. So if you want to see that video, it was my Bratz video, my Bratz extra long freestyle nails video. So I'll have that linked in the cards if you want to check that out. But yeah, this is my second time using these tips, and we're just going to be doing these really fun, really cute junk nails. And I didn't prep these nails like normal or anything like that with like primer or base coat because y'all, these really are just display nails, and I really just didn't feel like doing all that. I didn't want to waste my products. I do actually need to buy some more primer pretty soon because I'm running pretty low on that Savalian primer that I like. So I didn't do any of that. But if you want to wear these as actual press-ons, I feel like you definitely can. But you are going to have to reinforce them with maybe some acrylic or a couple of coats of builder gel because they are pretty flimsy just on their own. So yeah, as you can see, I just did 2 coats of each of those colors that you just saw me using. Y'all can use any colors you want to use, but like I said, these were just some junk nails that I came up with kind of sort of at the last minute on the fly type stuff, and they were super duper fun to do. I think that junk nails are gonna be like my thing this summer. If you don't know what junk nails are, I'll insert some pictures if I can find some just on Instagram, because they really are trending right now. Like, they're a whole concept. Like, to me, it's just like I just took like pretty much everything that I like, all the nail trends that I'm loving right now, and put them all in a set. And that's pretty much was my take on these junk nails. You can do like themed junk nails. You can, like those Bratz nails that I made, you could probably consider those junk nails as well. But these, these ended up having kind of like, I told y'all, whenever I sit down and do these voiceovers, I get gas and I get like, I feel like I have to burp. So I'm so sorry. But I didn't really mean for these to be like rainbow themed or anything like that, but that's kind of how they turned out. So this nail came out really cute. This was the marble nail, so it was white before. I did decide to change it to this minty green color. And then after I did that, I put on a layer of base coat gel. Without curing it, I went ahead and I swirled a pink, a yellow, and like a turquoise color together. And then I just sat it down into that base coat gel, or floated it over the base coat gel. And I haven't cured that green nail yet because I'm allowing the colors to spread out and really get marbleized. But once I was pretty happy with the way that they were spread out, I went in and cleaned off the sides of the nail a couple of times. I am aware that you should not be touching gel polish with your hands because you can develop like contact dermatitis or a skin allergy. I know, so you don't have to tell me, but I did it anyway. You can use paper towel though, or you can even use like a brush to just kind of wipe down those sides just to make sure that the polish doesn't wrinkle or that your shape doesn't get messed up. But yeah, so y'all know what time it is. Y'all know I wasn't gonna not do no airbrushing. I mean, what? No junk nails without some type of airbrush. And this was the rainbow nail, y'all. I want to do like some really crazy ombre nails. Like I don't even want to tell y'all because it's gonna be like a video that I'm probably gonna film like soon within the coming weeks or so. But I want to do some crazy ombre nails. Y'all know how much I love airbrush. I've spoke about this several times on this channel. Y'all know I have a thing for airbrush, and It's just not, I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. I want to do kind of like a classic airbrush set. I want to do like a blinged out baby boomer set. I want to do like some Playboy. Well, I kind of already did, but I want to do them again. I want to do like a 90s theme video where I do like some 90s theme airbrush nails. But right now, as you can see, I'm just mixing up each of my colors. And I'm just doing my rainbow, girl. If you want to see a more in-depth tutorial of how to airbrush your nails, by this point I will probably have a video up on all the do's and don'ts for beginners for airbrushing. So I'll link that in the cards and you can check that out, girlfriend. But this is how it came out. I love it. It's probably one of my favorite nails in this set. It probably is my favorite nail. I want to do like an entire rainbow airbrush set, but I'm trying to wait, you know, until we're a little closer to maybe like Pride Month or something. But anyway, I got these little, are these like Lisa Frank flowers? Anyway, y'all have seen these around, but I just went ahead and placed those on this white nail because this is going to be another ombre nail, kind of like an ombre French baby boomer nail, but with the flowers at the tip. That flower that's at the farthest top on the right side, I really didn't need that flower there. It just got covered up. But anywho, yeah, y'all can see. Make sure you're cleaning your airbrush in between each color. I don't think I said that, but make sure when you're doing like multicolor airbrush or you're switching, you know, whatever, make sure you're cleaning out your airbrush. The only time that I didn't like clean it out really good with some extra acetone was when I was doing that green orange, whoa, that yellow to green to blue ombre, because you know those are all similar colors. And make sure you actually clean the airbrush itself. Make sure you spray some acetone in the pot and spray it out just so that the needle can get nice and clean. And make sure you clean the outside with some alcohol as well, because you don't want yours to be looking all like mine. So that's just what you saw me doing there. Now this is the full junk bling nail. This was kind of like, I guess you could say this is kind of the nail that inspired it all. I want to do some like full out junk bling nails because like I told y'all towards the beginning of this video, I really think junk bling is going to be like my thing this summer. I really think junk bling is going to be that girl on this channel because it's a whole concept. Like, you know, those kitchen sink type of nails and like the 3D nail art and the crazy ombres and you know, all of that stuff. It's just a whole vibe to me, and it really is so much fun to create. And it's kind of like, to me anyway, it's kind of like abstract art where you never quite feel like you're done. You just hit a point on the nails where you're like, okay, like I'm satisfied with that. Or, you know, oh, okay, I guess I can stop now. But y'all can see I ran out of my freaking Mccart nail rhinestone gel, but you know I had a backup because that's my favorite bling gel. And someone tried to tell me that this bling gel is not for smaller bling, but I don't know how true that is, so I'm gonna keep using it, girlfriend. But yeah, that's that on that. And I'm just kind of flash curing these real big gems because I want them to move around when I put them in the lamp, and I just want them to be up and up and up and stuck. So that's what I did. Now I'm going around those real big gems with some smaller gems. No type of rhyme, reason, or order. I'm just kind of slapping them on there, making sure that I bling out that whole entire nail. One little boo-boo that I did make though was I didn't top coat that glittery silver polish that I put down. I should have top coated over that before I went in with all this other bling, just to like not have to worry about it. But like I said, these are just display nails, so I really wasn't mad about it too much. But in the future, when I do like real junk bling nails, like full out bling like this one, I'm gonna make sure I do that. And look how pretty, y'all. It look a little dusty right now, but I'm gonna clean it off with some alcohol and we're gonna get her back right. But look how pretty this nail is, and it's reflecting the light. Like, we got greens, we got purples, we got pinks, like, yes, all of that. Now, at this point is when I started working on that cow print nail. And cow print nail art has been trending for a little minute now. Maybe like 2 years now. Cow print nail art has been trending. Maybe so. But I just took some black gel polish, okay? And I just went in and started doing these these little cow prints. Now, when you're doing your cow print, if you don't know already, don't make them look like clouds. Don't make them look like dots. Don't make them look like polka dots. You want nice, big, cow prints, okay? You want them to look like just, nice splattered cow print nail art, okay? That one didn't come out like perfect, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So, you know what I'm saying? Just do the right thing. Do the right thing. So now I'm going in on this plain nail. I had these, they came in the same set as those like little rainbow flowers. They all came together in a set on Amazon. If you want the link to that, let me know and I'll slide it over to you. But yeah, I did that, and then I went on the free edge and I lined it with some bling. And I think that's such a cute look, just lining the free edge with bling. I think that's super duper cute. Yeah. Wow, I don't know, I just had like a flash before my eyes of like, I'm really having fun with this YouTube stuff, y'all. I'm really having fun, and creating these nails was so much fun. Like, it was so much fun. And it's interesting making junk nails, for me anyway, because it's like you really never know how they're gonna come out until they're in front of you, unless you're doing like a theme, like a color theme of some sort or somewhat or other. But for the most part, you really just don't know how they're gonna come out. And like I was saying earlier, they really are a whole concept, and you just gotta get into it. You just gotta get into it. Let me know if you want to see more junk nail videos, where maybe I'll go more into depth about what junk nails are, how to do them, how to conceptualize them. But this was just my take on the little junk nail trend, okay? So at this point, this is when I started to see like, okay, things are coming together. The nails are like, they're starting to be complete. We starting to have a little something, something. So now I'm going in with this Mccart holographic top coat, and I love this top coat, y'all. Like, it is so much better than what I was doing before, just mixing like the holographic glitter. It's so much better because it has like gold reflex in there. It's not like too shimmery, but it's just shimmery enough to where it looks like sugar on your nails, and I just love it. It looks super cute to me, and I'm just loving it right now. I want it on my nails all the time. But yeah, these oh, I also want to do a whole set just like this nail here. Well, I did 2 nails like this, but I want to do like a whole set that just looks like this, like a nice nude, and maybe like a glittery background, and just like some random gems just going straight down like this, because I've been seeing this trend a lot as well, and I just think it's really cute. I don't know if I could really wear some nails like this for any real length of time, because I get frustrated. I'm heavy-handed, and it's not even the gems staying on that I'm worried about. It's more so me. Like, I get impatient with stuff. If my nails don't fit in certain places, like, it just don't work for me. I use my hands a lot, and that just would piss me off. I already know it would. And maybe I'll make that a challenge, though. I have to wear junk nails for like a week or whatever. Well, maybe we'll start with a day, and then I'm telling y'all too much. But anyway, yeah, I do want to do a whole set just like this nail here, though. I put a little T, because for y'all that don't know, my name does start with a T, so that's why I put a little T. And yeah, that's what we doing at this moment. So I just stuck it on there real good. And oh, you know what? Another thing that I'm worried about with nails like this is like the metal alloy pieces tarnishing. Oh, I hate that. Or even like when you're wearing like caviar beads on your nails and they start to tarnish. Oh, I can't stand that. That is so irritating for me to see that. So at this point, before I went in for like my final top coat to wrap it all up, I went in and I just cleaned the nails, cleaned off all of my gems, all the nails that had gems on them, just because I didn't want to top coat any of those stains in there. And now I'm just going in with my regular top coat on all the nails. I'm just putting a nice shiny top coat on all the nails, okay? And that's just what we're doing, all right? I'm going to try and get some pictures of myself wearing these nails outside. But y'all, the sun is peekabooing, and I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but I will try. But like I said, the sun is really, really peekabooing today, and my housemate is not home, so I can't even have her help me. Like, the ghetto. But anyway, yeah, I'm doing my final top coat and taking forever to do it, seemingly. And I'm being very careful. I realized that I glued that gem on there crooked, and it made me so mad. But I'm being very careful not to get any top coat on those gems in particular, because I just don't want any on them. And I know y'all probably looking at that yellow nail like, girl, what is you doing with that yellow nail? It's not no junk nails if you ain't got junk on every nail. Just hold on. Just hold your horses. Just be a little patient, all right? Just be a little patient, because I got you. Just don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Just have some patience. But I did go in with my final layer of top coat and then cure for a total of 60 seconds. And then once that was done, I took the nails out of the lamp, and now I bet you thought we was done. I bet you thought we was done. Well, we ain't. So I'm going in with my Xxxl knife, and y'all, we're gonna be doing like a pierced nail. And since this nail was on my right hand, I went to make sure that the charm was hanging out on the right side. So that's just what you saw me do there. And if you don't have a nail drill, just get you a little Xxxl knife, and you can do pierced nails just like this, okay? I don't be feeling like pulling out my drill, plugging it in, changing the tip. You know, this is all I do when I want to do my pierced nails, okay? So just get that together. I'm using a little jump ring to attach the little cherry charm. Isn't that cute? I got that on Amazon. I'm using that to attach this little cherry charm, and some pliers just to squeeze them together, or some nail nippers rather. And that's how it's looking, y'all. It's so cute, and I feel like it really just set that hand off. That's probably my favorite hand out of the both of these hands here. But while I'm here, because I feel like I'll be rushing to say this at the end of the video, but while I'm here and while I have your attention, if you're still here, make sure you give my video a like so that it can get recommended to more divas like you and me, and we can all just be out here slaying. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know how you felt about these junk nails. Like I said, they're a whole concept. So let me know, would you wear some junk nails? Do you know anybody that wears junk nails? Just let me know. I want to know. I need to know these things, sis. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Like I said, I'm going to try and get some pictures of these nails outside, but if I don't, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, I love you, Diva Gang. I hope you have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Peace out. Mwah.